So DIY security systems, are they good value or are they a load of rubbish? Right, well, I'm going to answer that honestly today, and I'm in quite a good spot to do it from because I'm a professional security installer and I sell my own DIY security system. So I've got skin in the game on both sides. And if anyone should know whether they're worth the money, well, it should probably be me. So let's get into it. Quick intro for anyone who hasn't met me before. My name's Simon from Simon Security Expert, and I've been installing security systems for over 12 years now on a family-run firm, which is my family, NSI Gold accredited, wired, wireless, monitored systems, police response, bells only, CCTV, fire, access control, whatever it is, I've installed it. And I still do install systems professionally day in, day out. So this is real world advice based off genuine experience. So DIY security, is it good value or is it a load of rubbish? Well, the honest answer is, it depends who you are. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which camp it is that you fall into. There won't be any fluff or anything like that. So let me start with this. If you're the guy or girl sat there right now wondering, could I actually fit one of these things myself? Well, to be honest then, you can. The fact that you're on this video is already a sign of that, to be honest. People who can't do it don't tend to research it. They just ring a professional installer, which is obviously fine. That's their choice. But the fact that you're on this video means that you've got the curious gene, and that's about 80% of the job anyway, in my opinion. So I'm going to take you through why I think DIY is probably these days a great shout for a lot of people. Number one is the cost. A pro-installed system, depending on your property, can run you well into the thousands. DIY, you're cutting a huge chunk straight out of that by being the labour yourself. Security used to be something only people with a bit of money could really do properly, but now it's completely changed. It's not the case anymore. A solid, well-built DIY security system, it's completely leveled the playing field. Number two, you're in control of your own security, and I mean that in a practical way. You don't need an installer walking through your house, clocking which window's weakest or where you keep the spare key. You don't need to book a day off for the engineer to come and do the survey or to fit it. You can assess your own property at your own pace, and if you're not sure where to start on all that, I've got videos on this channel that walk you through exactly what to look for in your own home when you're doing a site survey, so you know how to protect it, just like an engineer would, like I would. I don't gatekeep anything like that. There's also a quiz on my website that asks you a few questions and tells you exactly what you need to build your own security system. So you've got privacy, you've got autonomy, and you get to set the pace. Number three, it's quicker and a lot less, I mean a lot less intrusive than people think it is. Years ago, a proper alarm install meant cables running through ceilings, maybe behind skirting boards, maybe, under all the floors, holes drilled into half your rooms, and an engineer in the house for at least a day, then the mess to clear up after. And when I say mess, I mean, maybe some form of decorating to do. If you've got any kind of tradie who isn't vacuuming up after they're finished, well, to be honest, don't have them back. But anyway, modern wireless DIY kits, well, they're just not like that. The sensors are battery powered, they stick or screw to the wall with a couple of small and easy fixings, and everything talks back to the control panel on its own radio frequency. So there's no cable pulling to speak of or anything like that. Most people with the right guidance, they can be up and running in an hour, maybe two. Now, look, it's important that I'm not going to pretend that I haven't got a horse in this race. I sell a DIY security system. It's called the Guardfather security system. I'll leave the link in the description right below this video. I released it because I wanted a DIY kit that I could actually stand behind as a pro installer. Things like touchscreen keypad, app-based, no subscription fees or anything like that. Doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. Plugs straight into the router for the Ethernet connection to be able to get your app control. And the sensors talk on its own radio frequency, which makes it more reliable than half the stuff you're going to see on Amazon, to be honest. I'm not going to sit here to you and tell you it's the cheapest system on the market, because it isn't. But you get me on the other end of it via maybe WhatsApp or email, depending on what's best for you. And if you do need any guidance on how to fit it, I'm always there for you. So far, we have 26 five-star Trustpilot reviews, and we've never had anything less than a 5-star review, which I'm really, really proud of. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So who's DIY not for? We need to go to the flip side, because DIY, it isn't for everyone, and I'd be doing you a disservice if I pretended that it was. If the thought of holding a drill, makes you a little bit nervous, and we're talking light drilling here, little screws into plasterboard, nothing mad, but if that's the case, DIY probably isn't the shout for you, and that's not a problem. Same goes if changing a battery in a smoke sensor or anything like that is just a job and a half for you. There's no shame in it. Some people would genuinely just rather have someone come and deal with all that stuff for them. Some people like to have a local installer they can ring when something plays up. They want a face to a name, someone who can maybe be there in an hour. It's a real service and it is worth paying for if it gives you peace of mind, which at the end of the day, it is what we're all selling. Or maybe you might have a more complex property, maybe something substantially bigger with thick walls, maybe it's listed, maybe you've got a large commercial premises. In this case, getting a pro installer out to do a proper survey is the absolute best thing for you. The expertise in that situation will pay for itself. So here's my honest verdict from a man who does this day in, day out for a living, and I'm actually fitting, a system tomorrow. DIY security is excellent value. If you've got the confidence, the curiosity, and a couple of free hours, it's not rubbish at all. The kits have come a long way, but at the same time, it might not be for everyone. And don't let anyone make you feel daft for getting a pro installer. If that suits you better, then good for you and go for it. But if you reckon you're in the DIY camp, and most of you watching this probably are, the Guardfather link is in the description. Have a look, see what you think. And if you want to watch me install the Guardfather security system so you can get a feel for it, and at the same time watch me taking the mick out of myself a little bit, well then, click here.